It's a well, a yew tree, and I'm going to investigate up there where the stream comes in. Looks interesting. It's quite a cave. Wow. Still an abundance of wild garlic everywhere. Hasn't flowered yet, so it's still good for the picking. We're so close to home, we haven't got in the car to come on this walk. And it's ridiculous, because even though this is so close to home, I know this footpath is here, this little bit stretch. It's not very long, only a few hundred yards. But because I've never needed to walk on it, I know where it goes. I've never walked on it before. So we've just rectified that. And now Pixie's waiting to go up through the sheep field. Well, that looks beer coloured. Smells absolutely disgusting. Actually, I've just given it a stir and tasted it. It doesn't actually taste too bad with the sugar and the lemon juice and everything else inside it. Got my runner bean seed in. And in there is a few pumpkins. I was given some seed. I've never tried growing pumpkin before, so this is an experiment. And in here we've got pea ready. What is it? Little Marvel or something like that. This will stop the birds and the mice eating the seed, hopefully. Been too busy today to do anything other than jacket potato, cheese and beans. Bit of greenery collected on this morning's walk. That's just the base for my May Day hangings. Got bells and ribbons to go on yet.